Okay. Guys, please turn on your cameras. Shubham, you can start.
Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So we see. I have got two campaigns. One is this dating is a war zone, and another is related to the text and all. So see, basically, what this campaign suggests is that it's a campaign that frames, you know, modern dating struggles as if they were a chaotic battlefield. So we can be showing this as a theme. See, modern dating is kind of like a war, so it's chaotic and everything. So we'll be showcasing that using meme style military, military style memes, campaigns, reports, absurd humor, uh, cards, and all like that. Something like that is my first campaign. So basically, phase one is the war map, something like that. Will be posting, and then
What do you
of
mean
course
by a
as
war map? Sorry.
war map basically is how the dating means overall date means our from date to relationship how it goes and everything. I'm saying like that.
Okay. So you're like showing what sort of challenges they can face in sort of
Yeah, yeah.
parents. Got it. Okay.
So yeah, so we'll be using graphics and
आ गया नीतू
relatable
इसके
humor
ऊपर
and
अब
everything.
हो गया तेरा
Sorry.
Avni, can you mute,
अच्छा
please? Yeah.
सॉरी
Phase two, no issues.
Yeah, so basically that, and it's a pretty much good campaign. We can run it off. So we have the days and all. What should we be posting and all. And apart from this, I have another campaign that's actually quite easy. We can pull it off very easily, and we should be doing video series. So this is this. So what this is basically, it's basically reframing and all about. See, we have seen the screenshots, the failed, who means boys trying to pick up girls using very lame lines and all that stuff. So we have that content available on internet. We can just take it out after a certain while. We can be asking the UCG submissions from the audience itself. So it will be also community driven. So basically, what happened though in phase in here for this campaign, I did not do that day wise or something like that. I did it as a phase wise. So phase one is basically the openers, where the failed opening lines were or some awkward messages were sent like that, and phase two again like that, the ghosting phase where the conversation just rise up at a certain point. So those convos, and at the end of the day, after we get a pretty good audience out of this, we can ask them to share their submissions and all. We can open our DMs for that. So pretty much like that. That's basically my two campaigns.
Um, okay, the thing is, you went really fast, Shubham. What I understood from the first campaign is that you've put it in phases, but I did not understand the formats you're going to take it in. I see that you have formats where you're taking the responses, like, and then replying to those, okay, but what else? Like reels and memes, have you noted down what formats will you be using?
Yeah, I have actually the still share. So, see, see, basically most of this those will be posts, normal posts and all. That will be meme, meme type and all. and it's relatable memes. We'll be using relatable memes, everything, and basically it will be posts and all, not reels. We can be doing the reels part too, but I have mostly thought about the posts and all. See, it's a day one with yeah, see, day one that map type graphic for background. We
So
can
this
be
will be a
starting off with
meme, okay? And this
yeah.
is a
Basically,
carousel.
all will be the meme or report, fake reports or something with very exaggerated something related to dating for importance of a battlefield. It means how means basically when are the soldiers and uh, how this battlefield turns out to be chaotic and all like that. See
But
the boasting casualty report and all.
got
It's
it. But
basically
there's one
yeah
question, Shubham. Mostly
yeah.
when pages aren't so popular in the initial stages, you don't actually focus on the posts like these. Like, people won't visit this much. But if there is something which is trendy, like a reel, people might actually see that and then come to your page. So do you think this will get us more reach through, memes and all?
See, this idea is actually good, but the problem is its execution will be hard. Yeah, we can think about the reels and all. Reels also can be done in this topic, but that's why I'm saying the second one is quite easy and it's something we can. It's not just for a limited time. We can stretch it off forever. We have the content for this and everything. This taking all the screenshot, rebranding it, and posting it. It's a pretty good idea, but yeah, this
Can
one
you
is quite
explain
easy.
more
The second
about the
campaign,
second one?
yeah, second campaign is basically we'll be taking at first we'll be taking screen the hinge the conversations and all the awkward hinge conversations, bumble conversations from Reddit and all. They are readily available very much. So we'll be taking those, rebranding it and posting it. It takes almost zero effort for this, so it's basically nothing. It's basically means we can pull it off very easily, and it's yeah, basically that. And it has it this type of content does go viral, so there's no risk or something like that. The first one is something we have to the execution part will be real hard or something. Means we have to do think if see, I had also given you two other campaign during my research analysis, which was if I remember correctly that uh, going to strangers and asking compliments and all. That's also pretty good idea, but given solo task I can't be doing that solo, so I have not put it in here. So these are two basically my campaigns.
Got it. Okay. So you're suggesting in the second one we can also scrape data which is related to other people creating real sort of thing, and then you mix it up with something of our content, right?
For which you're saying?
For the second one, second campaign. So when you said you go to Reddit, so are you going to focus more on the posts and carousel sort of things,
Yeah,
or
yeah, yeah.
will you focus on also videos which are created, like
Okay.
shorts?
Yeah.
No, I'm just
Uh,
asking which one.
no, basically, if you're understanding it correctly, the second type of campaign is basically the screenshots or something of the Hinge and Bumble where the men means the conversation either dries up or they are very means the men or even women sending awkward messages and all. I'm saying like that. So we can be posting, we can be taking the screenshot, rebranding it, and after a certain while we can be also asking screenshots from our followers, so when we get that type of audience, so we can be asking from them too, and so even original content will be on its way after a certain while.
Got it. Okay. Understand. I did not have other questions. Raja sir, do you want to ask anything? Okay, let's just move forward. I think that's it, Shubham. Thank you. Uh, who would like to
um,
go next?
can I be leaving the meeting as I'm outside?
Sure. Okay.
Can I do next?
Yeah, yeah, sure.
Uh, is my screen visible?
Yeah.
So, as before I said, the meeting before that I wanted to do campaign on crush. So I thought of it like why Shadi.com came into existence, because there were like bachelors were trying to get married and they weren't getting any good match. So Shadi.com came. So I thought there are people who have crush, but they aren't able to get to them. Like they are not able to confess, or they are not able to open up. So there should be like the types are there, but they don't know how to just confess. There are not ways they can confess. So so my campaign concept is don't just connect. Uh, so everyone has crush, but what if your crush feels the same? The campaign makes people laugh, relate, engage while imagining mutual crush moments. So the objective of my campaign the mostly is creating engagement and awareness through relatable content, like making them relatable. Like nowadays, people are making like every content are related to us. Like they are making nostalgic content. They are making some content which may be related to us. Maybe we will be relatable to that content while seeing that content. So that emotional touch and that feel should come by the content we are creating. So I also thought like we should make while making the content. There should be Q&A sessions, tagging friends or crush. Also, UGC, I thought the hashtag I will be using is crush content stories. So there will be like playful, relatable, wholesome with mix and humor plus romance. And the platform I will be posting will be feed, carousel post, and carousel kind of thing, and plus reels, plus stories. Stories are the main point. Like without stories, you will be like there should be engagement in stories, daily posts, daily videos. There should be something like Q&A sessions, asking them something anonymous kind of thing. I was thinking. So my content calendar here. Uh, so it's for the Monday, day one from the next week. I thought I will be creating a meme quote relatable to like crush, like people stalk their crush. So that would be something for the day one, like meme. Then for the day two, I drop like crush typing, then stop anxiety and blog. Like while writing those, like I thought of like I just put an idea, but I don't know how to like make whole thing into one, like eliminate what are not good and what are not bad. So I just wrote everything what I got. So for the day three, I thought there should be poll story. There should be polls like confession first or wait forever, be honest. So there should be a poll in my story, and the audience will click on that. And with this thing, I also thought about making a reel of this, like acting on something. But for this, I thought I will make a story. For the day four, I thought same taste, like we have same taste. There is same taste going on. I like the same, like your vibes, your something is matching. For the day five, I thought about the carousel, like signs your crush likes you back. Which one have you noticed? So save this for the later. Then for the day six, I thought like mutual crush hit. Two people dating at the same time. When you realize it's mutual, like POV of this. I thought POV making like just the two of remix of something like split screen karke we are gonna make. And for the day seven, I thought user generated content story, which is share follower crush confession anonymously. Drop your crush story. Like it would be a daring challenge. Like we will ask the audience to post them and just tag us. So I thought about that. And for the day eight, I thought about real mini story. We crushed, we connected skit from crush connection. So I thought about it, like doing a skit or like a drama on day eight about crush, how you crush someone, how your taste and likes matches, and then you vibe. So something like that. And additional, there would be like extra feed post by day, like if you're doing something on that. So the content comes like directly, you have those things in the mind. And like doing relatable memes, 3 or 4, what's your crush type in the carousel? You put, nowadays people like put like this is your type, this is your type, and you just slide the pages for the carousel. So for the interactive stories, I thought like first would be a poll. Would you confess to your crush today? So this would be your poll. And the second is emoji slider. How badly are you crushing right now? And the third is quiz. What's your crush stage? Like options like stalker mode, hint dropper, silent admirer, almost confessed. So countdown is the fourth one, which dare to confess this weekend. This would be the dare thing. I thought about this countdown fourth wala. I will do something like not in that post way, but in a real way where I am asking people just if you can confess now, or just giving them something pamper, something sorry. Something that gifts or something like they would like it appreciation things so that they will be able to do this challenge, like their challenge. So I thought like weekly features of followers, crash stories, confessed more anonymously, template story, like followers can fill in. There should be a form, like not form, we can make a like a link in that so that their name would not be visible to us, but we can just post them that they have written something in like people have like different kind of writing confessions. So we can post those things in our feed that this person has confessed on this person. If the same person name comes again and again, we can put carousel of that and we can show. So then there would be comments of those people, their friends will comment on our post. So yeah, and audience targeting and hashtags. So target audience mostly are Gen Zs and young millennials. I don't think like more millennials or like more than them will get connected, but Gen Z, I think Gen Z are more interested. Interest in this by this we are gonna get like dating, relationship, music, meme, college life. College life, absolutely, we would be doing for the most of the college life because college is the only platform where people are interested and are like curious and are like too much Gen Z vibes comes from this. So hashtag strategy, I thought main would be like crush connect. Don't just crush. I'm just supporting hashtags. I thought ki we should do my crush story, POV reels, relatable crush, relationship goals, and branded challenge that confess with crush. So songs I thought about this are all the songs like Cupid. I thought ki like for the cute movements, for the cute things, I would like Cupid. And these are the songs and measurement and growth. Success metrics like engagement rate. I will see by the first day after posting, I would see by engagement rate, likes, comments, shares, story, and post, and the reach and impression, track growth of reels. And by all these, I can see. Then final, my campaign would be fun, authentic, memes, relatable reels, and yeah, this would be all my thing.
Got it. Okay. Vinod, just a question. You do know, right? In the week 3, you're supposed to make content with whatever you have ideated.
Yes, yes, yes,
So, do you think that whatever the real things which you have mentioned, can you
yeah,
act it out like you mentioned you're going to do a skit or like a play or whatever? So, are you going to do
yeah.
that with somebody? Are you going to do it alone? What is it?
I have to I have to make someone do that, or else I can, with friends only, I will be doing that. But I want to execute that, like, I need some more idea on that point of view. So I'm just thinking, kaise I'm gonna do that. So yeah, I'm gonna do that.
Okay, got it. Okay, thank you, Vinodna. I think that's it. I do not have any other questions.
Okay.
Raja sir, are you here? Do you want to ask anything? I think he's facing network issues. That's fine. Vinutna, if he has any other questions, we could arrange a meeting one on one.
Yeah,
Guys,
sure.
thank you. Zoya or Avni, who would like to go next? Oh, also just a thing, just keep it crisp. Just 5 to 6 minutes. Just explain the entire campaign to me and what sort of formats you guys are using. I think that's it for me to understand.
I can go.
Okay, Avni, go ahead.
Okay, I'll go.
Yeah.
Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so this is my week two. For the campaign idea, I was thinking Mumbai Monsoon Love Stories. So our goals are to build like a brand identity for Red Rose production, is that's the name we're keeping for now, and drive engagement and encourage, a bit of cross-generational connection, like through Gen Z, millennials, and all. So the hashtag we can create is hashtag Rainy Red Rose because it matches with the names, the campaign, and the name. So the quote we can keep for every post is that. So the theme is love blooms under umbrellas. So I have made like content that we can put. I actually have two, three campaign ideas, but this one I've executed like properly. The others, like if you like those better, I can execute them. Okay. So we can start with an introduction post, just a reel inviting, people to tell their rainy day, date stories. And they need to use the hashtag while they're posting on their socials. Uh, Day two, like poll stories. Okay, monsoon date. Where would you prefer going on a monsoon date? Okay, I think most people from Mumbai would prefer staying indoors, but there might be some people who enjoy the rains. They would like to go on a walk at Marine Drive. Because who doesn't like Marine Drive? Then day three, quick vox pop, which means like the voice of the people. Okay, so we'll interview people at crowded areas, and we'll ask them, what does love mean to you in the rains? How do you express love during the rainy season? Do you do something different? How do you go on dates during the rainy season, or do you avoid it altogether? And we can keep like a humorous skit, like the rain makes everything a disaster. It's a nightmare walking in the rain. The rain comes from all directions, so the umbrella is useless. So we can make something on those lines, your hair it comes a mess, everything. And we can use like a red flag, green flag carousel, like with maybe instead of flags, we can use like umbrellas. So like a red umbrella and a green umbrella. And so that's like the red flag, green flag, and we can put that on our stories and then repost them in the form of like a carousel post. And we can also partner with like a relationship therapist or a stand-up comedian, like a very small one. So, it builds up anticipation in people that, oh yeah, there are live events. There's something to look forward to. And then like lastly, you can do like a recap of everything, like small snippets of all the days and post that as a reel. And this closing I've come up with. So this is what each day is like the goal each for each day is. Okay, so the other two campaign ideas I have are love letters to Mumbai. Okay, so it's basically like sometimes the city is your first love. Okay, so it's like people write love letters to maybe the city, to the rains, if you are fond of the rains, or to their partners. So, like for reels, maybe we can put, you know, reading like love letters that people have put in, like, background rain visuals. Maybe like not in the rain, but on a very stormy day or something. And memes we can put that if Mumbai could write back to us. Okay, we are writing to Mumbai. What if Mumbai could write back to us? So the hashtag we can use for this is love letters Mumbai. So people can use this, post on the socials, so we will gain traction. Another one is, dating scenarios across Mumbai's neighborhoods. Okay. So the dating culture changes a lot when you go from Bandra to Borivali to Colaba, right? Like people look for different things. So it's like one city, but then many different bubbles of people dating, many different love language. And the hashtag for this is love in every gully.
Okay. Avni, can you just explain this thing to me? Can you open the WhatsApp group and check the template which I had shared?
Mhm.
No, no, just the template. It's in the group chat.
Yeah, yeah, it's in the group.
It's a link. The first one.
This.
Yeah. Can you read it?
Yeah, I read it.
So isn't it the same thing which is
Yeah, I've just built up on it a bit, like, given content ideas and all.
okay? I just
Like
wanted you
reels and
to.
वो सब क्या कर सकते हैं.
Okay. So, okay, just a suggestion. Can you just focus more on the other two concepts? Because I like
Okay.
the second one, where you're writing letters
Which
to Mumbai.
mhm,
So, can you also give me ideas about that? Because I understand this theme, but I really
mhm,
wanted you to come up with a new theme. So, if you
mhm.
could just explore more on that theme and come up with ideas, I like that. Is that cool?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
So the second theme is what you like, the love letters to mom.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I just
Okay.
wanted you to explore another theme altogether. So that's the reason.
Okay.
Yeah. And just let me know by when can you come up with the entire plan for the next theme.
Okay. By tomorrow,
Okay. Just let me know
I'll
and
send it to you.
yeah, sure. Send it to me. Okay. And also do stuff which you can execute for the week 3. So, oh, is this
Okay.
the logo
Uh,
which you've designed?
Yeah, I was working on it.
Oh, this one
So
looks nice
this
actually.
I can use. Yeah, so that's what I wanted to ask you. Like, because I think I read like in the weekly tasks you send, you need to make the visuals,
Okay.
right?
Yeah.
So I started on this. So I mean, we don't have to use it. It's just an idea.
No, no, it looks nice. So what I meant by visuals were like basically where you lay down the entire design theme for your posts. Like if you're designing a grid for yourself, you should have like a theme for the grid as well, right? So that's the visual layout which I was asking to be described in the document. But I really
Hmm.
liked this. The first one really is
This
beautiful.
first one,
Yeah, 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 I liked it.
I was
So
thinking of putting a role in the center, but I don't know. Like, I just need an opinion on that. Or
This,
is the
this one
heart
looks
fine?
nice. This one really looks nice. Can you share this document as well? I'll just show it to Raja sir because I don't think he's in the meeting right now.
Okay.
Yeah. Also, just a reminder, just try to plan all the content in that format where you can execute it in this week. This week, as in
Hmm.
like starting from this Monday to the next Monday. So I expect you to have your formats in that way where you can execute them, be it memes, be it reels. So when you talk about street interview, you actually can't go out and do it yourself, right? So you will have to either talk to your friends and get stuff like that. So if it is not executable, just don't put it out there. So make stuff which you can execute right now, like maybe something of like a video, because uh, if you saw, I think I didn't think Shubham had actually given a good description about it, but he was talking about how he can't sit down and execute a video about himself. He focused more on the meme side. Like he was trying to take memes from pages and then have it branded as our theme. So try to have things which you are comfortable in. All the formats should be in that place.
Okay.
Yeah, I think that's it. Even if you're trying to have it like an interview, um, then I think you will have to be ready to speak to people, and those people can be anybody you're comfortable speaking with. So they can be your friends, they can be your family members, that's fine. But we need to see what sort of creativity you bring when you ask questions and all of that. That's what we want to see.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, you want me to send this?
Yeah, if you can just send the
Yeah, I'll send
details.
it.
Okay. Uh, Zoya, would you like to go next?
Uh,
Next, if you want. Ajay, never mind. I think Zoya started sharing.
Sorry. Yeah. Zoya? 1 second, okay.
yeah,
Yeah, this is your screen. Got it.
can, can you see the screen?
Yeah.
Okay, so the campaign I chose is about situationships. The idea is simple. Modern love is messy, confusing, and full of chaos, and situationships are basically the perfect example of that. So, but instead of making it serious or preachy, we are turning it into something funny and relatable. So it's about laughing at the chaos and not judging it. So I chose the name Situation Shit because it instantly tells people it's not serious, like it's messy, it's ridiculous, like a brain rot. So the goal is to entertain, engage, and make the content super shareable. So post one, I was thinking we can add a brain rot reel. It will be about a girl explaining her situationship problem in a funny, sarcastic way. And plus, it's relatable, humorous, and everyone knows someone who's stuck in this vibe. So for post two, I'm thinking of carousel memes. I thought that the memes should be highly understandable. So I thought of the theme memes FT Bollywood. Like it will have Bollywood references. It will have Bollywood themes showing chaotic situationship moments. It's shareable and it taps into pop culture, which also makes it very relatable, and everyone knows Bollywood, so it will be shareable. So for post three, I'm thinking of stories. It would include polls, sliders about related to situationships. Uh, but instead of serious advices, we are keeping it playful. For example, we can put a poll named Pick Your Poison, and we'll give two options like he texts at 2 a.m. or he disappears for a week. So, which is worse? So, that is basically the Pick Your Poison poll. And in stories, we can put many things like what we post, we can add that, and we can also put sliders, we can also put Q&As. So for post 4, it will be an animated reel about how to get rid of a situation. Then again, we are not giving serious advice in this. It will be funny, humorous, and sarcastic. Like it will be ridiculously funny. Like if you feel like, for example, if you feel like texting him again, then bang your head in the wall instead. So it would be like that. And for post five, it I was thinking we can do a horoscope carousel because it's very popular and it's very trending, and people are very interested in watching what their zodiac signs say about them. So in that, we'll put the 12 zodiac signs that are predicting their situation shit live. So the predictions will be witty and hilarious and taps into astrology trends. So people will definitely share it. And post six, I was thinking we can put a carousel reel named Top Situationship Moments. In this, we can add all the recaps of the entire week. including the responses we get from the stories, or we can also add funny comments that someone has put on a post. So it's interactive and it also reinforces engagement, making people feel included. So we can also put the caption on the last post as "Did you survive the situation shit this week? Swipe to find out." So that is the campaign plan.
Got it, Zoya. Um, okay, so I did not have any questions. It's just the part where, um, okay, so when you're talking about real animated tutorial, okay, so okay, got it. Okay, you're just generating stuff, right? You're not being in
Yeah,
the reel, right?
no, no.
Got
Yeah,
it.
it will be animated.
Got it. Also, have you planned for all the hashtags and the songs and all if you will be putting any?
No, no, actually, I am working on that. I'll just send it to you by tomorrow if that's okay.
Okay, got it.
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. I think I understand your idea, and I have seen some of your work as well. So I understand what you're trying to make. So that makes sense. I did not have any other questions. Thank you, Zoya.
Okay, thank you.
Nandini, would you like to go ahead?
Yes. Uh, can you see it?
Yeah.
Okay. So, as discussed, my focus will obviously be Delhi
Yeah.
and singles in Delhi specifically. So we want to get right into it as like what are the singles missing? Why are dating apps not working? What is this like gamification of re-downloading, deleting, re-downloading, all of that? And as I mentioned here, it's going to be questionnaires, street interviews, and interactive posts. Now, examples of those posts and the street interview formats are actually in the week one document. Like all of what I've put there, like the summer house reels and the Delhi boy roast posts, those are the kind of vibe that's the kind of vibe I'm going for. And now this is gonna be more like, so the hotspots, as I told you, is of course Summer House Cafe, the GK2 Market, Horse Cars, and Khan Market maybe, and one or two other venues. But for this week, I'm specifically targeting two venues only because that's manageable. So I'm looking at Summer House Cafe and the GK2 Market. And this is gonna be like about, like here I mentioned in the campaign concept about the app fatigue, which is also related to like what I mentioned about downloading, re-downloading, all of that. But we'll obviously not be direct about it, sort of lean into the questions and nudge them towards why. Like, why is that happening? What is not working? The questionnaire is also there, and then for the posts, you have an intro post like Delhi Unfiltered, what singles really think, and we go for a. I don't have the design ready yet, but I'm still working on it for this week for the grid posts. But for the reel format, I already have the design in mind, like I said. And although I've mentioned some audios here, I don't think this is like the final audio, because the thing with Instagram specifically is, if you're going to do an audio, if you want to drive engagement, you have to go with what's trending,
Yeah.
and whether that's like the Jet 2 audio, because what sometimes people do is they put their own audio in the edit, and the Instagram audio is completely different. Like it's like the Jet 2 audio, or it's like some silly song that's currently trending. But like the song that's actually playing, like they lower the volume and they play another song. So that is something that I had in mind. And for this week, it's gonna be, then the next post could be like, why do you think people delete dating apps? But this is not directly like asking people why are people deleting dating apps, but it's more like the kind of people that are on it, you know? And then street interviews obviously are there, which is from what my plan is going to be executed on Thursday. Thursday and Friday are the days I'm targeting. So the edit's going to take place over the weekend. And find real connections, and there's going to be obviously funny subtitles, all of which is very like the I think you'll be able to understand based on the summer house reel that I showed the first week.
Yeah.
And template carousel and Delhi singles. So okay, like the South Delhi banter page is also another inspiration, because South Delhi banter also has like some of the memes, like the Delhi memes, some of the single memes. So we can like just go a little based on those also, like that kind of a template rather than the format. And like even the kind of places that you would go to, like for example, Khan Market on a Sunday, something like that, and then there's like I have the if you yeah, sorry, the hashtags are also going to be like Delhi unfiltered, singles in Delhi, and any memes, or like then we have Red Rose obviously. But I don't know actually, Vidya, I wanted to ask you this: how much do you want me to refer to the name Red Rose Productions? Like, is it final, or should I like mention it in the interviews or not?
I mean, see, for the meanwhile, we can use Red Rose. That's better than Love Guru. So,
Okay.
if you want to mention a name in the interviews, I would suggest you go for Red Rose production. That's
Okay.
better right now.
Okay. Yeah, that's pretty much it for me. And let me know if you want to ask anything.
Yeah, just one request. I did not get to see your last week's research. So, can you share that in the group or send the link to me so that I can go through that? Also, this document. Also, for the others, please send the link for the document which you've created right now so that we can go through it again and understand. And please give us viewers access so I don't have to come back again and ask for access, please. And I understand, Nandini, I feel this is great. And I see that you are focusing more on, public speaking, right? You're going out and speaking to people more than.
Yeah,
Okay, got it. Okay. I like the idea. That's nice.
thank you.
I did not have any other questions. Um, Okay, so I think if we need another one-on-one meeting, we will let you guys know. For the meanwhile, please drop in all your documents in the group so that we can go through it. And if you have any other queries, please let us know. Also, we were planning on this thing. Instead of having an entire review after a week, we want to plan it in this way where you try to submit some parts of your work every review meeting. So that will be Monday, Wednesday, Friday. So I'm not expecting you to complete everything by Friday, but I expect you to have at least 80% work done. So next 20% can be shown on Monday, but that should be divided on in those 3 days: Monday, Wednesday, Friday. So, and this is because I'll give you the reason. Um, Sometimes the work is as if you've started working on a Sunday to present it on a Monday. So, we want to have the culture where you work consistently for the entire week, given 2 days of gaps. So, you work accordingly, you plan accordingly, and you have at least some documentation to show on review days. So, at least something where you can present, and this week is going to be more of execution. Nandini, I do not expect you to show stuff because I see you've planned stuff for Thursday, and but the others, I expect others to show me something so that we can proceed with whatever you are going on, and we can give some feedbacks according to that. Is that fine?
Sounds good.
I'll just put this recording in the YouTube page. So if you want to refer to it, go ahead. And I did not have anything else. Do you guys have any questions? Or we can wrap it up. Okay, I
Yeah,
think.
I have a question. I went to see the recordings playlist, but I could only find 13th August. Taka.
I mean,
So the latest meetings, I missed them. So I don't know what happened in those meetings.
okay, I'll just try to see. Some of the meetings were like with one or two people, but I'll try to put up those recordings as well, and I'll put
Yes,
the
please.
recording as well. But I'll do that.
Okay.
Maximum
Okay.
just try to check it by tomorrow. Everything should be up by tomorrow morning. Is that
Okay.
fine? Okay. I think that's it, guys. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Thank you.
Bye.